Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate presentation creation with Prezi, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Prezi website. Log into your Prezi account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Create New Presentation button. Choose a template that suits your presentation's theme. After selecting a template, you will be directed to the editing interface. On the left side, you will see a menu with various options. Click on the Insert button to add text, images, or videos to your presentation. To automate content generation, use the Magic Layout feature. Select the first text box and type in your main points or ideas. Prezi will suggest possible layouts based on your input. To include images, click on the Insert menu again and choose Images. You can search for images directly within Prezi or upload your own. Once your content is laid out, review the flow of your presentation. Adjust the positioning of elements for better visual appeal. To add transitions, go to the Path menu to set the order of slides. Preview your presentation by clicking on the Present button in the upper right corner. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. Finally, save your presentation, and it's ready for sharing or presenting. Congratulations! You've automated the creation of your presentation with Prezi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.